Hey, hello, and welcome to today's Insider Tips. In today's Insider Tips, I am going to talk about the mechanics of upselling. What are the mechanics of upselling? You need the right questions to identify your guests' wants. You need to know how to listen to your guests' preferences or requests, how to answer and make suggestions or give options that meet your guests' needs. You need to know how to describe the products, services, or options. Here's more food for thought. It's not only your front desk employees or reservations that can upsell. Your housekeepers, wait staff, maintenance personnel might have an opportunity to mention your products, services, or options in passing. Let all employees try or experience what you have to offer. The more they know about what you have to offer and be able to share their experiences will add value to the offer and easier to upsell. I highly recommend you create a script with all the details and give it to your employees, but let them develop their own pitch. If it sounds more natural, it'll sound more genuine. Everyone should practice their pitches on each other. Practice makes perfect. You want to be able to read your guests. If a couple are getting away for a weekend, you could offer them a couple spa package or a candlelight dinner. If it's a family, you could offer them a family package to the zoo or passes to a local swimming pool. You could set these kind of opportunities up by cross-promoting with other businesses. If your business includes group travel, have your salesperson offer baggage service or a group dinner. Are you getting the idea? Well, that's it for today's Insider Tip. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so you don't miss future Insider Tips. And if you haven't joined one of our groups, check them out and pick the best one for you. You can subscribe at keystonehpd.com/insider-tips. And to find your best group option, visit keystonehpd.com/private-groups. Well, that's it for today's tip. Until next time, have a fun day.